Chief Jeffrey Coe of the Dalton Police Department says he knew this day would come.
Well, I'm from the generation where RoboCop was a big movie back in the 80s, and so yeah, I did.
In his eyes, police body cameras are a step in the right direction, technology that could provide better evidence to prosecutors in court.
It's mobile, so even though you are only getting a snapshot of whatever the capability of the wide lens on the body camera may offer, it's better than the stationary camera that might be on inside of a cruiser.
But as defense attorney Derek Hogan explains, it's more complicated than slapping a camera on a patrolman.
If an everyday officer in his everyday duties is walking around with this camera, then we have pictures and video of me and you and everybody else walking around in a public area. So then there's a question of there's some type of privacy there, and how far does that extend? And
there's always the issue of cost.
You still have training that has to be part of it, maintenance and replacement of defective or broken equipment.
While the Dalton police are not equipped with body cameras, Chief Coe thinks the new technology would be good for justice.
The biggest thing for police and the public is to have transparency and trust, and if this is a tool that will get that, I think you have to be open-minded.
In Dalton, Jim Vassell, Time Warner Cable News.